Hey folks, Ian Wallace Harper here, Chatbot Ninja, and yes, it's time for a BizStackPro, and it's an update on the training that I did earlier on the BizStackPro to MailingBoss in Builderall, and from MailingBoss to BizStackPro via Pabbly. I said I would give you the results. Well, let me share a screen and show you what happened. Here we go. So, the contact was Mario Brothers and Inspire Freedom. And look what's happened here. We've got the tag. BizStackPro nurture sequence ended. And we've got opt-in BizStackPro here too. So how good is that? Now let's have a look at what happened in the workflows. The workflows in BizStackPro sequence, the emails were sent. All the emails were sent and a tag was added. BizStackPro nurture sequence ended. It joined the new sequence. Receive a tag, BizStackPro nurture sequence, started the actual workflow. It then sent all the information to connect, the Pabbly Connect. The information is there. Let's have a look at sends. It hasn't recognized the sends. I don't know why, but it did recognize the opens. BizStackPro opens. Now, let's go back to BizStackPro and here and look at the contact. We'll look at the contact. We'll look at the contact in Mario Brothers. And let's have a look, see what else it did. It didn't do anything else. It's just done what we expected it to do. Yeah, page visited, contact created, the form was submitted, page visited. Yeah, all these is information that was done. So we've actually got that contact in the CRM with the tags opted in and the BizStackPro and the sequence has ended. We know for a fact that we've got the emails. Yeah, all the emails came through. No problem. 1, 2, 3. And they were all in the right timing. Yeah, all at the right time. 10 minutes, 10 minutes, 10 minutes. So it's doing what it said it should, said it does. Okay, so Pabbly sent all the information across. So there we have one way of using the CRM with an opt-in form, an automation to MailingBoss, a sequence in MailingBoss to send emails, a nurture sequence, could be it could be a 7-day sequence done in a workflow. Once the workflow is finished, it adds a tag, ended. Starts another MailingBoss workflow. The trigger is the tag, sequence ended tag. It then sends and adds the tag and sends it to Pabbly. Pabbly then sends that information back to BizStackPro, where a tag is added to and updated in BizStackPro. So there we have the whole sequence. I hope that helps people in both BizStackPro and MailingBoss to talk to each other. I will say thank you very much, and I hope you can hit that subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the like and make a comment, please. And also hit the bell so you get notified when another BizStackPro video is being done. I'll say thank you very much for watching. Chatbot Ninja Training. Ian Wallace Harper signing off. Bye bye for now.